This Smart TV's local preview walks through Hisense Remote Fix. Watch the remote action first, then match the highlighted target on the TV. Reseat the batteries and check polarity. If it is an infrared remote, use a phone camera to see whether the remote LED flashes. For a Hisense voice remote, hold the pairing combo shown for your model, often home and back, until pairing starts. Unplug the Hisense TV for about 1 minute. This restarts the TV receiver that listens for the remote. If the TV is on Wi-Fi, use the Hisense mobile app as a temporary remote to reach settings and updates. Use the backup app or working buttons to open system update. Firmware can fix remote pairing and voice control bugs. Use factory reset only after battery, pairing, app fallback, and firmware steps. It removes apps and settings. That is the guided path. Scan the QR code for the full Smart TVs article, model notes, and fallback options.